Hey guys, today I'm going to be taking a look at this 2-pack of LED lights. These lights are going to be used on the back of your vehicles or on the front for off-road purposes, all kinds of different things. You can see here you're going to get 2 of these. This one here, you see how bright those LEDs are going to be. Major sized LEDs, nice heavy duty housing here. You have your mounts with your hardware, and then you have your heavy duty wiring also. So let's go ahead, take a closer look, hook these up and see how bright they are. All right, we got this nasty boy hooked up. You can see here, super easy to get it hooked up. I've got all the wiring fed into here. All right, and here's the second one I need to hook up. You can see it comes with this little plastic cover. You can peel that off. On the inside here, you got the nice big boy LEDs. Again, all metal design, very rugged. You've got stainless steel hardware right here. Don't have to worry about it rusting out. You see everything's nice and waterproof, and you do got these nice heavy wires that are insulated. So let's get this one on and give it a try. All right guys, here is the ground right now. You can see it is dusk. This is pretty dark so far, but let's power these lights on. And boom, look how bright that is. Here's the best part. Everything is very well lit. Even when you look up and the camera compensates, you can see how nice and bright everything is. Cast a very nice wide pattern along the back here. And there you have it. Step in front of it for the shadow. Pretty sharp, bright setup. See how good they look on the back of the truck. So recapping these LED lights, there are 40 LEDs on each lamp, and they're 5700 Kelvin, 150 degree flood beam. And these do operate between 10 and 30 volts DC. They are rated at greater than 50,000 hours and are suitable for off-road because they do have that IP68 rating. And the aluminum fins are going to be able to give you some great heat dissipation while you're out there getting mud or just getting some work done.